Hi everyone. I'm back with another video. I'm so sorry that I've been taking so long to do videos, but I've been very busy. Anyways, thank you for coming back to Craving Crochet channel. My name is Teresa. Thank you so much for joining me today. I still haven't had time to do a tutorial, but I am working on it. Hopefully my next video will be a tutorial. But today, I'll talk about some things that I've recently made. First of all, I made this beautiful dress for my granddaughter. It's actually a tunic. I found the pattern online. I can't remember the website that I went to, but it was a free pattern. I'll put a picture here somewhere. And I'll put a picture of what my granddaughter looked like in it, and some shots of it that I took. It's really a beautiful pattern, and if you are all interested, I will probably end up putting it on my Facebook group. If you want to, I've got a whole collection of patterns on there in the file section, so if you want to get a copy of it, it's free. I didn't create the pattern. It's a pattern that I found online. And I just want to credit the creator because it's a lovely pattern. I use this lovely yarn for it. This is a cotton merino yarn. It's called Lamia, mercerized cotton, 100% cotton. And it's just gorgeous. So I bought 2 of these. There was 3 skeins in each package, and for the entire tunic I used, because I also made her some scrunchies. I don't know if I took any pictures of the scrunchies. If I did, I'll put them in here as well. Yeah, so I made her the tunic and a scrunchie to match. So I only used like 4 balls. I probably have another ball somewhere that's already started. Once I reached, I think I only used 1 package to do that tunic, and I still have yarn. I just don't know where it is. I have yarn everywhere. Can anyone else say that? You have yarn everywhere. Anyway, so that was a beautiful project that I recently did. I try always to make things for people that I love, so that was that. Then I made, recently in Canada, we had Canada Day on July the 1st. So I am really getting into mosaic crochet, and I want to learn how to design some patterns, some graphs. So I just found this online. It was a maple leaf, and then I don't know if you can see it. I kind of just put I put a grid on it. I changed the color because you couldn't see the grid lines. And I tried to follow it and do it, and I think it looks pretty good for the first time I ever did a pattern like this, like by myself, right? Well, with the help of some graphics online. So so that's my little mug rug Canada flag, which I really like. So cute. So that's what I've done. Oops, and my paper fell on the floor. I am currently working on a mosaic crochet tutorial, because I did ask you all if you wanted me to do a tutorial on how to read the graph, and so it's not going to be this one. It's going to be something else. I've already done it before, but it's different. It's got a little twist on it, a little bit different. It's not exactly what I have done the pattern before, but it's different. It's going to be different, and I'm going to actually have the graph, the pattern in a graph format. And I'll explain it to you because some people are asking for help. They don't know how to read the graphs. So it's pretty simple once you know the basics. It's not that hard. So anyways, I'm also going to be doing a crochet along coming up soon. If anybody wants to join me, I'm making a blanket. I know it's the middle of summer. And I went to visit my sister-in-law, and I showed her some pictures of some of the things that I've been doing, and she's like, you know what, I need a blanket, because She has a king size bed and her bedspread was too short. She's like, could you make me one? So I'm like, okay, all right. What colors do you want? She's like, I don't care. So I'm like picking out the yarn, the colors. So I found this beautiful yarn at Michael's. It's a Caron Cloud Cake. So I got 6 of these. These have a lot of yarn in them. Look at the pretty colors. So I figured I would do something that was a little bit not too feminine, right? Because, I mean, my brother is there with her. So, so there's like some greens in here. I don't know if you can see it. Greens and grays and like beigey browns. It's really nice yarn, and it's very soft. Anyways, this is called, the color of it is called Shorebirds. So I grabbed 6 skeins of them, and hopefully I should have enough. It's 100% polyester, machine wash and dryable. It's a medium 4, and it's 760 yards, one of these cakes. So that's a lot. That's a lot of yarn. I should have enough. And I'm just thinking of doing like a corner to corner because it's pretty simple. And then with the color changes, I think it'll be really nice. And if anyone wants to do it with me, let me know. I'd love to do a crochet along with all the people on my channel and out there in YouTube land. I know it's summer, but I mean, if I start it now, hopefully by the time it gets really cold, I'll have something to give her. So that's what I've been up to lately. And I thought I'd better hop on because it's been a while. And actually, I went out and I did some pictures today for my work. And now the owner wants me to go back because they want me to take pictures at night. So I thought, okay, let me shoot a quick video and get that hopefully edited and up today, hopefully. But I have to go out once again when it gets dark with my camera and take some pictures of the outside of the house with all the pretty lights in the summer. So anyways, stay tuned. I am working on a tutorial, which I hope will have it hopefully in a week. I'll have it up and running and on the channel. And I'll get that tunic pattern on my Facebook group. Please join the Facebook group. If you join the Facebook group, I would appreciate it if you would post some pictures of what you're doing. Yeah, I just want more activity on it. But anyways, I appreciate you stopping by and listening to my little, not little, it's kind of getting long, right? Everyone wants like 30-second videos. Quick, let's go to the next thing. Let's go to the next thing. Anyways, thank you all for watching. Happy Canada Day, belated. And happy Independence Day to all my American friends. Take care, and we'll be back soon with more on Craving Crochet. Take care. Bye.